Oscar, you tell Mommy. What do you want? What do you want, Husky? Husky? Do you want key food? Come here, Husky. What do you want? What do you want?
Did this guy say if it was...
You want that? Yeah? Is that what you want?
If it was...
Alright, come over here.
console or the PC?
Do you want that? Or do you want this? Huh?
I still look like it on the console.
Or we get this. Get this. You want this? Husky, keyboard? Keyboard? Want keyboard? Husky, what are you doing? Big guy, do you want keyboard? It's not keyboard. Yeah, it's keyboard. Yeah, it's keyboard. Oh, it's so amazing. Can I close the drawer for me?
Yeah,
What are you doing? Is that where your keyboard is located? Oh my goodness, you found it! There's more! Oh, we are so smart. We are There's your sister! Oh, you're still gonna make letters on my phone, aren't you? Oh, it's so amazing. Smokey?
Really wide or short. I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking at.
Smokey? Hi. How are you? Oscar's still rubbing up against me. Say hi. Say I'm a princess. Oscar's about to eat all my key food. Look at him over there. He wants a banana. Hey, hey. Stop eating plastic. Closing the door. Okay. You hungry? Oh, you know, you can't just do that, okay? Your boy and his key food.